Hey, hey, hey. Do you have a fun getaway in your future? Me too. I've got a fabulous little capsule package here for a 3-day getaway in the sunshine. Perfect pieces you can mix and match and wear to whatever warm weather destination you are headed to. Let's start from the top. Everybody needs a good airplane look, and it's always a struggle. What do you wear on the plane that's comfortable in the plane, comfortable from where you're coming from, but equally comfortable when you land, get your bag, get in the cab or your Uber, and head to your resort? Always tricky. So I keep it super simple. It's all about the layers and making sure I am not packing something I am only going to wear just on the plane. So let's start from the top. A great little sleeveless tank. What I love about this top from LA Made, it's a Henley, so play with the buttons. You can kind of switch it up and maybe wear it out for a casual dinner on your trip, open it up a little bit. It does have a strong shoulder, but that sleeveless is so nice for warm weather. Ribbed fabrication and a looser fit, so easy to tuck in. Now I'm wearing it with the Good Classic from Good American in this yummy vanilla color. This is kind of, I'd say, a slim straight. Now it is on me a true past the ankle. I did a little roll. If you are taller, it's definitely going to hit you at the ankle. Just like in any white denim, I treat my ecru the same. I size up. So I am wearing a true 4 or 27 in these Good Americans. Typically in Good American, I'm a 26. Now, layer. Here is that fabulous cut Julia jacket. Everybody needs a denim jacket. It is the perfect piece to have on your vacation, no doubt. You can throw it on over just about anything, including a little knit dress if you want to go casual or a little more dressed up. And it's an easy one to pair back to your ecru denim. And then last but not least, brand new at Evreeve, Tiki's slip-ons. This is your upgraded flip-flop. Looks chic, looks put together, and crazy comfortable. Really soft padded footbed. And I love that this guy's actually not a true flip-flop. It's got that great little multi-strap on top, so it looks a little more elevated. And then last but not least, my Les Specs sunglasses, because it's going to be sunny wherever I'm headed. Next look coming up. Okay, really quick change. All I did was flip out my shoe and add a little statement necklace, and I'm ready for my first night dinner. So easy to dress up. I also open up my Henley. One more button for just a little bit of sexy appeal. Absolutely love these jeans. They are so darn comfortable and they can go for miles. So if you are traveling during the day and heading to a dinner right away, so easy. And then this great Palais sandal, you know this shoe, it is so fantastic. Updated this year with this beautiful heel. Absolutely love the detail on this guy. Crazy comfortable. This is the heel sandal you will live in all spring and summer long. Nab it while you can. It's absolutely one of my favorites. Okay, let's look for a fun day resort look coming up. Okay, look number 2, staple for every vacation. You cannot go wrong with a fabulous white poplin shirt. There are so many ways to wear this. Dress it up, dress it down. Here I'm wearing it with a fabulous pair of, you guessed it, cutoffs. The Parker Long. Now the reason I love this short is that it takes that shorter length and eases me in to my cutoff season with a little bit more length in the thigh, little bit more coverage, equally chic, still feels so fun and vintage and worn in and cool, but crazy comfortable if you are just toeing into your short season. Now let's talk about this button down. This is one of the best investments you can make any season, but absolutely for spring and summer. This is the Kayla from Citizens of Humanity. So many reasons to love this shirt. It's a relaxed fit. I'm wearing a small. Easy to pop on. It's not super sheer, which is always a beef of mine when it comes to whites. Wear your nude bra underneath. Of course, we always do. We know the rules. What's so cool about this shirt is it actually does the rolling for you. So you can see it's got 2 buttons on the sleeve. I'm using the first button to cuff it up and make it more of a 3/4, and then I can just push it up a little bit if you want to get a full kind of elbow length, use that second button it up there, and then you're going to be more kind of this length. Now, the reason I love a good white shirt on vacation is it acts as kind of a dressed up element. I would wear this in a neutral outfit, back to those fabulous Good Americans. Just tie it up in a knot would be so fun. It also acts as your cover up. So you can wear this puppy to and from the beach, so easy, and then run around afterwards. It's got a nice long tail to it, so you get a little bit more coverage. I'm just wearing it out and relaxed, but of course, super easy to tuck in as well. And then I put back on those fun tikis. So great. Got my little spec sunglasses, and I am good to go for a day running around or heading straight to the beach. I've got a night look coming up. Okay, night out. It doesn't get any easier than this. Of course, a fabulous rule to have when you're packing is having as many things as possible in that suitcase that don't require ironing or steaming. Make it really, really easy. And this Michael Stars dress is a bestseller for a reason. It packs easily, but most importantly, it looks incredible on every body. And if you don't believe me, check out the reviews. This is one of our most positively reviewed items on Every's website ever. So here's the deal. It comes in this fabulous ribbed fabrication, skims the body, hugs the body, but doesn't squeeze the body. So that's a prerequisite for me on vacation. I want to be comfortable. It's got this great side slit, but most importantly, it has this side ruching. So if you are tall, if you are petite, if you are curvy, if you are more straight up and down, busty, more small on top, it works on everything because you can move and groove this guy whichever way you want. It works with your tummy, which I absolutely love and is incredibly flattering. And in this yummy, yummy kind of sky blue, you cannot go wrong. Now, how did I dress it up? I added this super fun little shell hoop. Feels so resorty and vacation. And then I pop back on those amazing Pally sandals in a neutral color. Done. So many fantastic ways to style this guy. You could easily dress it down too by popping on your denim jacket and slipping on those tikis, and it becomes a runaround dress during the day. No problem. All right, we've got one last look that I'm going to show you just for what to wear if the weather doesn't cooperate while you're on vacation. The staple everybody needs. Okay. It happens. It happens sometimes. The weather doesn't cooperate with us on vacation, and we have a rainy day or maybe a day when it's just a little chillier at night and you need an easy layer. I never ever take a trip without a lightweight sweatshirt. It becomes your staple. Sometimes you need it if that hotel room's AC is just cranking and you can't get warm. Again, you might want to wear it to the beach if you've got kind of a breezy evening, or if weather doesn't cooperate one day, you just want a great layer. So lightweight, easy, kind of goes back to everything sweatshirt. This is from Michael Stars. I absolutely love this rainbow detail. I think it's so fun. In navy, kind of goes with all the blue that I already packed for my trip. I threw it on with my Parkers, kept on my tikis, and I am good to go. This is also a great one to have for the plane ride home. Pair this guy back to those great Good American, Good Classics, and you're set. There you go. It's everything you need for a trip. An easy sweatshirt, a pair of cutoffs, a knit dress, a sleeveless tank, and of course that white poplin button down that you cannot leave home without. Hope this gave you some good ideas for whatever you've got planned coming up, and we will see you soon. Take care, everyone. Happy traveling.